video, I will be showing you guys my updated skin routine. And if you are someone who suffers from acne or just have scarring in general, this is definitely catered to you guys, or whether you don't have acne at all. But this is something that's been working for me, and I've seen a huge improvement in my skin. So stay tuned if you guys are interested to see all of the products that I will be using in this video, as well as just seeing the whole list of wonderful things that I have to do to just pamper myself and make my skin be the best that it possibly can be through this process of removing my scarring from my skin. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure that you drop a pink heart down in the comment section to let me know that you guys truly did love this video and what products you guys are going to be looking to use as well that you thought that were super awesome in this video as well. So let's get straight into it. So first step to start off, I will be cleansing my skin with this soothing cleansing aloe vera soap by Exfoliator. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I have been using this soap lately just because I do have sensitive skin, and it does have aloe vera to keep and protect my skin from being stressed from harsh chemicals. So I really like to rub that in for 60 seconds. If you guys don't already know, the 60-second rule definitely does work. I've seen a huge improvement in my skin and my scarring. So I really love using this exfoliant to do my skin. So now guys, I'm going in, I'm just drying my face with a clean white towel so everything is all nice and perfect for the next step in this process. Next, I will be steaming my face. I like to use this steamer from Keva Live Facial Iconic Steamer. I just love steaming my face just to open up my pores so I can get ready for possible extractions. Next, I'm just going to be using this little extraction tool that I got from Amazon. I really like using it just to get those extra oils out of my nose. I really do have oily skin, and a lot of oil likes to build up around my nose, especially from wearing makeup. So I really like to do this step really just to get all those impurities, all that extra oil out my skin, all that extra dirt, and really just to have a clear basis when I'm outside or whenever I'm putting on makeup so my skin looks the best that it possibly can. As you guys can see, I know it looks like it hurts. Sometimes it does, but not all the time. Especially when you're just pulling off distractions, you just definitely want to move your skin around so you can get the best and get those things out. As you can see, that one was a tough one. Now, the next step I like to use is this exfoliant by Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Firm X Peeling Gel. I really love to use this. I've seen it help a huge improvement in my hyperpigmentation on my skin. So I love using this at least 3 to 4 times a week on my skin just to really lift up that dead skin and really just get any extra dirt that was left on my face or any extra oil or impurities that I did not get out the first time. So this really does help lift that up, and I really like it. I suggest buying it, and I will have a link down below for you guys. Now I'm just going to wash my face off with a clean white cloth from that exfoliant. So I'm just going to make sure it's all clear, wiping that off and everything. So my skin is just very nice and smooth for the next step in this process, you guys. Next, I'm going to be using the Old Hendrix True Serum, and this does have vitamin C in it, which definitely helps your skin and boost it to make it look very radiant. I love using this. If you guys do not have this in your bathrooms or in your daily skin routine, you're tripping. Now, I like to use the same from Old Hendrix eye cream, and this is the banana eye cream, brightening eye cream, and I like to use this underneath my eyes, especially on those non-makeup days. This has been a part of my skin routine, and I really love it. It does help my under eyes look very moisturized and very bright and open, and I don't look all sleepy and just like crazy bags. So I really like this. It's really smooth, and I like just warming it up on the face and going all around the eyes so I can get the best benefits out of this eye cream. Now I'm going to be using Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen. We all need a little bit of SPF, so this has 15, which is like the minimal amount. The more SPF you have in your moisturizer, great, but I'm just going to smooth this in my skin and all over my chest, and there we go, you guys. Now I'm going to be using my favorite lip moisturizer. I get this from Bath & Body Works and I love it so much. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. As you guys can see, my skin is looking radiant, it's looking nice, and I just love the huge improvement on my skin. And to end this off, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop that pink card down below if you guys are going to be using any of these products I suggested in this video. Bye. Love you guys.